friends, I have you outside to show you how these paintings dried from the two previous videos I did with the ready mixed Artist Loft paints. They dried exactly how they poured. They really didn't lighten or darken except for in maybe one little area. The yellow did on another painting, but I'm going to show you each. This was from the first video. I did a Dutch pour, and I want you to see the shimmer. I did not varnish this. This is the paint, how it dried. Absolutely astounding. And I got so many colors from just using red, blue, and yellow. Got some coral in there, some green. They really, really, really did well. So I'm very happy with that. Up next was the drag pour that I did in the same video. Again, very shiny surface. I'm trying to catch it there for you. Very shiny. Again, 3 colors, and look at all the colors I got just from layering them a specific way in the cup. I got turquoises and blue, and I mean purple, green. Very, very beautiful. Now, I will most likely resin this, even though it's shiny already, because resin will really, really take that to an extreme level. So then, that was the first video I did, testing those products out. This was the second video. I did ring pour. I feel like I did 3 paintings. I think I'm missing a painting here. I have to go look. Here's the ring pour I did. It stayed together beautifully. Look at that. No varnish, guys. This is the painting. Just the paint made it shiny like that. And then I did an I don't care pour at the end of that second video, which is this one. Now here is where the yellow, you can see how transparent the yellow is because some of the blue got under it and you can literally see right through it. So the yellow is definitely a transparent color. And I think the red maybe too. But I'm just really, really happy with them and how they behaved. I'm going to be testing them next with primary elements to see how the polypore reacts with whatever type of pouring medium is in the Artist Loft premixed paints. That'll be interesting to see. And let me see if I have another painting here. Okay, I had you pause for like 15 minutes. Not that you needed to know that, but I literally could not find my painting. It was right in front of my face. Anyway, this was the very first one I did in video 1. And as you can see, again, dried with a beautiful sheen. And look at these colors. I mean, I didn't use coral or orange. The caterpillar, which is crazy. There's a lot of odd shapes in here. So there you have them. So anyway, that's how they dried. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on that. And because a lot of people were asking. So there you have it. I hope you guys are all having an amazing day, and I shall see you soon, my friends. Happy pouring!